Good morning, students. This should be your last video for today, and it's on penmanship. And today we're going to be looking and learning the letter C, okay? Before we do that, I want us to look at the lines on the board and remember what they are called, okay? So starting at the top, we have the roof. At the very top. Then we have the upper line, middle line, lower line, red carpet. Okay, let's go over it again. Roof, or the ceiling, upper line, middle line, lower line, and the red carpet. Okay, so those are the names of our lines. And as I said in the beginning, we're going to be learning the letter C and connecting to the letter C, okay? The letter C is fairly easy. It shouldn't be too hard. But again, you guys need to know where it stops and where it starts. That is very, very important in all these lessons, all the letters that we have been learning so far. That part is very important. That's why you need to know the name of the lines, and then you need to know where each letter stops and where each letter starts, okay? So I'm going to start with the letter C. I'm going to start right here. I'm going to try my best to write without taking the board away or without slanting, because as you can see, my board isn't slanted, so it's going to be a little bit harder. But the letter C is going to start right over here. Okay? Right under the middle line. From here, we go up to the middle line, down, touch the red carpet, and back up, and we stop at the lower line. Okay? Now for the letter C, I need to see this part. You can't just write it like this because I don't have the little, oh, that's too big. But it needs to go down just a little and then back up, okay? So this would be incorrect. I need to see you start a little lower. So you need to start here, go up, down like that, okay? So let's watch one more time. Right here. The letter C starts right here, okay? From here we go up to the middle line, down to the red carpet, and we go out like that. Make sure it goes out, okay? It shouldn't stop. It shouldn't go straight up right here or stop somewhere in the middle. Remember, it needs to stop at the lower line, okay? Now, when we want to connect a letter, and, excuse me, when we want to connect to C, or connect the letter C to another letter, just like before, from here, we go right away to the next letter. If it's I or E, or we go up to A and then back down, okay? So a lot of these are the same when we connect. For example, the letter S, the letter E, I, we all connect them from here going up, okay? So right here, I'm gonna write the blend CO, okay? So starting right here again, I start a little bit under the middle line. I go up to the middle line, down to the ceiling, and then I'm going to write CO. Remember, O starts at the top, so I have to go all the way to the top, and then from there I write the letter O, okay? Same with CA. I have to start C right under the middle line, go up, to the middle line, down to the red carpet, and then I'm going to write the word cat. Just like that, okay? And then I pick up my pencil and I finish it off. So remember, if the letter starts at the middle line, you have to go all the way up to the middle line and then write the letter, okay? Same with O. If I wanted to write C-I, let me just erase this. C-I, again, I'd have to start right under the middle line, because that's where C starts. Go up to the middle line, down. And I write it just like that, okay? Hopefully you can try your best. I hope you try your best so that you can keep practicing and doing your best on penmanship. I know some of this might look hard, but I know you guys can do it. Just watch the video a few times if you need it. And when we get back on Monday, I will be checking you guys on your penmanship to see. And then I'll be helping you out to make sure that you're doing it correctly, okay? Now, when we're writing penmanship, remember, you need to be sitting at a table. You need to be sitting with the feet under the table. Slant your paper. Sit up straight, and then you can write, all right? Make sure you follow those rules. That's very important, and it is very helpful. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.